let's find something interesting. When the weather is raining or snowing, it's very important to have the lens hood. This one. See? It's hard to find something interesting to shoot. It takes time, but I'm walking, having fun. You see that building there? I don't have zoom lens, otherwise that home, oh my god, that one, it looks, but it is far away. Let's do like that and change some. So maybe I can zoom it after post. So in this situation you have to be creative to find something interesting to shoot. Okay. Okay, let's see. I think here can be interesting shot if I get it right. Let's try out. Okay, how should be? What? Sorry. Don't think like that. It would be maybe just one in the frame, and maybe, yeah, maybe maybe like this. I don't know. It's much harder to see it on your camera screen than your PC screen. So that's a big deal. So let's try another shot here. I think I have to do it maybe like that. No, maybe just like that. Yeah, this one is interesting actually. Check this one. You have to try different angles to get interesting shot. But what I see that there is something interesting here, but how to get it, that is the difficult one. So let's try like so. Maybe like so. It's after edit it will be perfect. Hope so. Anyways, maybe try another way. This one also. Oh. Yeah, man, this one it is good, but I need to change some settings Yeah, like that. Always check your histogram when you're shooting. Yeah, maybe like so. It's interesting, but there is not good background there. One like so. Oh my god, this one. This one too. Yeah. I think I got one of them is very nice. Finally, I got what I wanted. So that's why I mean, you have to try different angles to get the perfect shot. So you need just to try. So that's it. Have fun. Put music on and have fun. It's good training. You're walking and you do hobbies, taking photos, and you have fun. It's a good way to learn, you know. But it's cold. You need to have good clothes on you. Anyways, I like the green here, so let's dive in the forest. You see this? Every time you will shoot, you need to change your settings, so make sure to change your settings. Okay, that's nice. Oh my god, you see this? It has beautiful color, but I need to find one of them. Maybe this one. No, maybe this one. Let's see. Here. Yeah. It's not. I need to get it from different angle. Let's try this way. Too cold. I think I have one shot from here. Let's try out. Maybe from here, or let's try it. Change some settings. Okay, that's good. You need to focus point. their mood. Oh my god, this is perfect. Oh my god, this one. In this situation, it's much harder to find something interesting, but we will try. Always check your histogram to get the right exposure. Yeah, this one is not bad. Where is that? Yes, finally. No, it's out of focus. Finally, I got it. Oh my god, let's get some snow. I think this should be maybe like so. Oh my god, check this one. Change the autofocus point, set. Okay, let's try another one. Okay. This also is good. Not too bad. I need to change the settings. Maybe here? No? Yeah. Oh my god. That is incredible. But maybe it will be more interesting if it was, or let me change the focus point here, let it bury on the sky, and boom, this one is, I think this one is perfect. So you need to find your way to shoot interesting things. Let me see if there is something interesting on the tree that we can shoot. Yeah, maybe this. Let's try this tree. This green gives you this moody feeling, but it can't focus it. Yeah. That's it for today.